Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can create a effect overlay on CapCut for other users to use. So select this black background and press add, and you can also change the frame ratio by going to format and choosing this one, but I'm just going to choose the landscape one. Go to effects, video effects, and just find the effect you want. For instance, in details, there's a lot to choose from that'll do well on overlays. So for instance, you want to add this butterfly one, you can do that. You can also add in this bubble one. Press the check mark button. You can also adjust the duration of the effect like so. Once you're done, you're going to export it. And now people can use that overlay. There are a lot of tutorials on how to do it. I'm just going to show you a quick one. Select a video, go to overlay, and add in that video. So I'm just going to add this video and go to splice and choose lighten or filter, whichever one. That is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!